Hey everyone, it's Chad with Ignite Your Craft, and I'm really excited to bring you a Makesy review today. We're going to go over the Spring Discovery Kit for 2024, and then we're going to go real quick through their 12-ounce aura vessels. Super excited to bring this to you, so let's go. All right, to start, we're gonna just talk real quick about their 12-ounce aura vessels. So we have the spring colors that they have. There is a new set here with the ivory matte and the ivory iridescent, which I absolutely really love those. I think we'll be adding them to our store soon. And then we have, they had this peach one previously, which is a very nice spring color, and then they introduced the iridescent sorbet. They're very nice. All of these are great. We use these on our pour your own wall, and we also use them for some various colors that we don't offer in the store. We use for private label. We're in a store here in Holland. We did an awesome recreation of the scent that you get when you walk into their store. So we did those with the cork lids, and they look fantastic. They go over well, and they're really cool. We offer a few more color options. They kind of have all the options out there that you would want. We just recently got their gunmetal, the copper, and the gold shiny ones, which are beautiful. We do these with both cotton wick, the CD wicks, and we do their wooden wicks as well. And they're very versatile. They work great. Again, our customers just absolutely love these. So they're great all around. All right, let's get into the Spring Discovery Kit. I was really excited to smell a few of these. I did not put these in wax this time. We're doing the little tester strips that came with the Discovery Kit, which is super helpful. We have had these for a little bit, so we've been kind of smelling them here and there, taking notes. I did this with a staff member who really helps me with all of our scent creations. A couple of these are fantastic, so I'm gonna go through them and kind of save the best two that we liked for last, so be sure to stay through to the end. All right, so up first we have the Italian lemon and juniper water. I was very excited about this one just based on the name. As soon as I smelled it, it is fantastic. I really love it. It's nice and fresh. It's very clean, but it also smells very similar to an oil that we actually use currently. And that one is fantastic on its own. It also really lends to great blending. So this one has nice notes of citrus. You get a bit of cardamom. I just really love that it has that super fresh element. It's almost like you get fresh air, maybe a hint of sea salt. It's fantastic. I love this one. Definitely recommend it. And then up next we have the Vetiver grass and fresh bergamot. I was not so sure about this one. I was very curious because vetiver is usually not my thing. But with it being vetiver grass and then a bergamot, I love bergamot. I was very curious. So this one out of the bottle, I don't know, it's very good, but it's very minty. I get a little hint of the bergamot, and the vetiver grass is, I can see that. I get some fresh herbs in there. The basil's nice because it comes through the more you smell it. It's just nice. It is nice and herbal. It's got a nice base that kind of brings it all together. Up next we have the orange blossom and fig. Orange blossom and I don't really get along. It's a total personal preference, but I was trying to be open-minded when we smelled this one. And I do actually think that it's the best orange blossom scent that I've smelled. Yeah, it's not bad. It's again, not my thing, personal preference, but it's nice and floral all around, really. It's kind of like an earthy floral. Maybe a hint of some citrus, or maybe that's the fig coming through. It's not bad. Up next, we have the, I'm probably gonna butcher it, is it Yaupon tea and Jasmine Banca? I think right away I get that orange blossom. It's interesting. I definitely get a hint of green tea, like leafy floral. I get a touch of that cedar and the woodsy base coming through. Maybe a little suede. Yeah, it's nice. I think that it's good. I think it'll be a good spring scent for sure. We have, let's see, Wild Angelica and Purple Myrtle. I like this one just because of the name. I was excited to smell this once I saw the name. It's really nice. It's like a really elevated white tea. It's a good blend of like floral and herbal. It's bright, it's fresh. Fantastic spring scent, or really that could be all year. That'd be a great luxury scent. All right, and then we have Osmanthus Nectar and White Suede. Again, don't know what that is, but it sounds interesting. Piqued my curiosity. Let's see. Oh yeah, when we were smelling this one, it really took us back to a candle called Champagne Wishes. It was champagne and apricot with a touch of blood orange. It was great, and it really smells just like this. It's got a nice like floral touch to it. You get that apricot right away. Yeah, it's nice. I like this one. This would be a very nice spring summer scent. It's very fresh. The floral's not like a normal like super floral. It's good. I like that one. And then we have Apricot, Orchids, and Blonde Woods. So let's see here. Oh, interesting. This one I do remember being interesting as soon as we smelled it. You get a bit of like apple sweetness, but it's not like it's not a super sweet. It's a fresh, yeah, it's just very fresh. I like the floral in this. The base is a bit musky. Like the more that I smell it, I don't know if it works for me, but it is good. I think that would be, again, a good spring, summer. All right, and then we are almost to the end. So one more before our favorite two. And let's see here. We have Mandarin Petals and Red Amber. Let's give this one a smell. It's a very like citrusy at first. It's got a nice floral blend to it. I get a base of them kind of musky amber. It oddly has like this drying sensation to it, which is a good thing. Kind of unlike anything I've smelled. Yeah, that's nice. I like that. It's nice and earthy and a hint of floral. That's very nice. I like it. All right. Now we're up to our last two, which are our favorites. I'm going to save the best one for last and then give you a little hint at something to come in the future because I absolutely love this one. So before that one, we're going to go to, it's Pink Camellia and Patchouli flower. When I see the word patchouli, I always hesitate, but I'm going to it with an open mind. So this one we were pleasantly surprised by, and it is delightful. It is so good. It's very like high-end and sophisticated. It's just very nice. I want to smell this out of the bottle again because, yeah. I don't have much to say about it other than it is fantastic. It's a great floral scent. It's very spring, makes me think of like sunshine in the spring. It's got a nice fresh air to it. Maybe a touch of some fruit. Like, it's fantastic. I love it. All right, and then last but certainly not least, our favorite, it is Native Moss and Forest Musk. I am obsessed. I absolutely love this. It's a nice like earthy vibe with a touch of cologne maybe. It's so good. It has a light citrus note to it, kind of like an earthy citrus, almost like a bergamot. Yeah, it's got a nice little like spiciness from like a peppery kind of scent. And then it's just really rounded out by like a nice mossy wood. It's great. It's very luxurious. It's very high-end. Native Woods and Forest Musk is probably one of my favorite scents that I have smelled so far. I'm sold. They got me. We're working on a luxury line. Doing a luxury line has really made us go into a different direction than we normally would, which is very exciting. I really love it. And so I blended this with something else, and it is one of my favorite combinations I have ever made. All right, so that is it. That is the Spring Fragrance Discovery Kit from Makesy, and I say overall that it's pretty good. There's definitely a few that aren't my thing personally, but we loved 4 or 5 of them, so that's Fantastic. There's definitely options here. I recommend getting the Discovery Kit so you can kind of smell and test. You could definitely make some small candles out of this to give them some testing, or you can blend them with some other scents if you want to. If you want to try this scent discovery kit, the vessels, or anything else from Makesy, follow our affiliate link below. And as always, if you like the video, found anything helpful, just enjoyed it overall, make sure you like. If you want to make any comments below, do that as well. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. There's always more content coming. Thank you so much.